Hello, my name is Max and I'm going to be unboxing my RC car. Please watch from start to finish. I really hope you like this video. Without any more from me, let's get on with it. And a huge shout out to Ted, who helped me film this video. Without him, this wouldn't be possible. Hey YouTube, today I am going to be unboxing this RC car that I've bought. It comes with a I just bought a battery with it, but it already comes with a battery. So I'm just going to start by getting these stickers off the side. I might need scissors, hang on. There we go, I've got my scissors, hang on a minute. Ah, this does not want to cut. There we go, right. Right, so I need to just, there we go, so I've got it out of the packaging, the box. Now, I guess I just need to take it out of this bit. Well, it looks like there's something in here, it's quite heavy. But first, I'll just get the actual RC car out. Whoa, its wheels are really big. One side out, and that's the other side out. Whoa! Guys, this is like almost as big as me. This is gigantic. Look at it. Look at the suspension. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It goes down really far. Wow, it's got quite a few things in the box. Wow, this is epic. That is super cool. So, the battery that I bought here takes 6 hours to charge, and there's about 15 minutes running time. The battery which it comes with, which I imagine it's in this box here, is 4 minutes. No, sorry, 4 hours charging time, and 10 minutes playtime. So I guess we should open this box. So when I was unboxing my RC car, my camera actually ran out of battery, so I had to do the rest off camera. So I'm just going to go up to the common and just give it a little drive. I've already driven the RC car for about a week. It's just my camera couldn't charge up. So let's just go. Oh, I found the battery. So this battery takes 6 hours to charge up. So I'll see you in 6 hours. So the battery is charged and cooled, so we're ready to roll. Hi guys, my RC car is about to jump over me. Really hope this goes well. Let's go.
We weren't going to put this in the video, but we're going to do it anyway. Alright, go.
So I'm risking my life. Here we go. Ah!
Yes!
Bye guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to check out Wildfly and please subscribe to his channel. Laters. So this is going to be our best jump ever. Well,
Totally.